as for Themba Mliswa, he's been disrespecting General Chiwenga, who helped President Mnangagwa become president and saved his life when he was poisoned. If some of the 2030 faction members can do this to Chiwenga, it means the general supporting Themba Mliswa's term extension push one day be betrayed and suffer the worst. Salabina mashoko inowa another warning irikapangwa nechino kwakunze. Vipi kosano Chiwenga who saved President Mnangagwa's life. Pangwa ino kwakunze. He is now being attacked and pangwa ino aka escape ma situations akasiyana attacked by the same people. Pangwa ino sokuda pachira chinzi. The same people who are supporting the president and the same people who are backing the small circle sana Themba Mliswa. These people, they are going to be betrayed decisively. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Makomi Chan Rabira Chiti, what veterans have voiced their opposition to the proposed bill number 3, saying they went to war for 1 man 1 vote, and if this bill is for the people, it should go through a referendum. Some comrades are supporting the bill due to personal gain. In other provinces like Harare, only one side is given the chance to speak. The 2030 faction are the ones who are deciding who will speak and who will not speak. As it stands, Zimbabweans have rejected bill number 3, and the 2030 faction is relying on busing the hired supporters due to lack of support. They are doing it to spend Uganda's money. After the bill passes, it will be dog eat dog, as Uganda will replace some MPs with their relatives and dismiss ministers to pave the way for themselves. Tomba developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. What them afura imuru de pamsoro page to coach. Musangana subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.